It's a 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. From its dominant exterior to its unrivaled road handling, you're about to go where you never thought possible. Features include automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled supercharged V8 engine. Edmunds.com explains, what's immediately apparent is that all this talk of agility is not marketing waffle. The way the Sport changes direction is hugely impressive, even at speeds that would have been downright worrying in the old model. This could well prove to be the first Land Rover that's genuinely fun to drive on a challenging, twisty road. Land Rover, versatility and capability on every adventure. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.